Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix sound or audio issues in the game PRAGMATA. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes. Fix 1. Steps to fix sound problem in PRAGMATA. So open Windows settings. On the left click on System and then click on Sound. Scroll down, under Advanced option click on More Sound Settings. Now select your default device, for example speakers, and then click on Properties. And then go to the spatial sound, and from the drop down here select off option, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If your problem is not solved and if spatial sound is already set to off, then from the drop down select Windows Sonic for headphones, then hit on apply, OK, and then you can go ahead and launch the game and check if your sound or audio issues is fixed or not. Fix 2. Make sure sound levels in game is set to 100%. So look for the audio settings within the PRAGMATA game menu and make sure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Further, if you are using headphones, then you may like to try using speakers to see if any sounds play. Fix 3. Steps to fix sound or audio problem in PRAGMATA game if you are using a Bluetooth headphones. So right click on the Bluetooth icon in the system tray and select Show Bluetooth Devices. Scroll to the bottom and select More Devices and Printer Settings. Then right click your headphones and select Properties. Now go to the Services tab and check Hands-free telephony, Remote control and Remotely controllable device, and check all these 3 options. Then hit on Apply and then check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 4. Set default sound device. So click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you are using for the game. After the sound device is selected, restart the game and then test it for the improvement. Fix 5 is to disconnect additional peripheral devices. Your sound settings can be altered by additional peripherals. So disconnect any such peripheral devices that are not necessary, such as USB devices, camera, phone, etc. and then check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve sound or audio issues in the game PRAGMATA. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.